Planet Earth, our fragile oasis in the cosmos. A world overflowing with life, delicately balanced by the forces of nature. But beneath the beauty lies a silent struggle, one created by human hands. High above us lies the stratospheric ozone, a thin layer of gas that shields life from the sun's ultraviolet rays. This ozone layer is Earth's natural sunscreen, guarding us from DNA damage, skin cancer, and blindness. But in the 20th century, humanity unknowingly attacked. Chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, alongside halons and other ozone-depleting substances, rose into the sky. Broken apart by sunlight, they released chlorine and bromine atoms that tore ozone molecules apart. The result? A growing hole in the ozone, letting ultraviolet radiation reach Earth's surface in dangerous levels, affecting crops, ocean life, and human health. But there was hope. In a rare global consensus, nations united under the Montreal Protocol, phasing out these dangerous chemicals. Slowly, the ozone began to heal. While the ozone heals, another crisis unfolds. Invisible but powerful gases, greenhouse gases, are warming the planet. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor trap heat, keeping Earth habitable. But too much of this can be dangerous. As greenhouse gases rise, so do global temperatures. Glaciers melt, raising sea levels. Permafrost thaws, releasing more methane, creating a feedback loop with deadly consequences. Warmer climates expand the range of disease-carrying insects. Malaria, dengue, Zika, once tropical threats, now spread farther north. Earth's climate has always changed, due to volcanoes, solar cycles, shifts in orbit. But never before has it changed so rapidly because of one species. Wind and weather patterns falter. The jet stream weakens. Storms intensify. Droughts lengthen. Rain becomes a flood. Even the oceans feel the heat. Currents that once carried warmth from the tropics begin to slow. The Gulf Stream, vital for Europe's climate, teeters on the edge. Soils dry. Crops fail. Rain, once predictable, now arrives in destructive bursts, washing away what little remains. At the poles, ice is disappearing. White landscapes turn dark, absorbing more sunlight. Polar animals, once perfectly adapted to their ecosystem, now wander in search of food, ice melting beneath their paws. Beneath the waves, a different kind of tragedy unfolds. As the oceans warm, corals expel their lifeblood, the algae that sustain them. The reefs bleach, and then they die. And as humans burn more fossil fuels, oceans absorb the excess carbon dioxide. Their pH drops. Acid levels rise, and shell-building organisms, clams, corals, plankton, begin to dissolve, threatening the base of the marine food web. The ocean, once Earth's great stabilizer, now struggles under the weight of human industry. The challenges are immense. But knowledge brings power. Awareness breeds change. From phasing out harmful chemicals to rethinking how we fuel our world, the future isn't written, it's chosen. This is the story of our planet, fragile, fierce, and still full of hope.